Hey, hi, hello, namaste. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for all the love in the previous video. Trekking is an adventure which is done by thousands. It requires great stamina and zeal to complete a trek. Though this adventure is done by many, but very few know the essentials required to keep with them while they're on a trek. So in this video, you will get to know the essential items that you must keep with yourself while you're planning for a trek or going on a trek. But before that, hit the like button, comment, and don't forget to share it. And if you have already done this, then don't miss out on the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a video. So let's begin the video. The first and the foremost item is the identity proof. You require your identity proof on a trek for general bookings, and moreover you don't know when and how the identity proof may be useful for you. The next essential item is the clothing part. While on a trek, you must keep with yourself comfortable cotton t-shirts and track pants. If your trek is gonna include water activity, don't forget to carry with yourself dry fit clothes. As in hilltops, while you're trekking, it must be cold or it might get cold often. So don't forget to keep a jacket or two accordingly. On talking about extreme cold weathers, you must keep with yourself hand gloves, monkey caps, and mufflers. The last piece of clothing which I consider to be very important is for rain protection. That is raincoats or other rain wear that will help you while it's raining during the trek. As important is the clothing, don't miss out on the footwear too. Firstly, you must carry a proper trek shoes. Secondly, a floater, and thirdly, 4 pairs of socks. Now let's move on to personal hygiene and care. Don't forget to keep with yourself important toiletries, face wipes, and towel. Do carry with yourself sunscreen to protect from the scorching heat waves, and secondly, a winter cream to apply. Moving ahead, the next important thing is a water bottle. It is very important to stay well hydrated while on a trek. So you need a water bottle to keep drinking on regular intervals and to fill up as and when required. The next important essential is a torch or a head torch, because as the sun sets, it will get dark eventually and you will need the torch definitely. As you will be in an open space, don't forget to keep with yourself mosquito repellents, because I guess nobody would like to be the food to the mosquitoes. The trek leaders will definitely have first aid kit with themselves, but there is no harm keeping yourself well equipped with important medicine. The next essential is actually optional. You may or may not keep it with you, and that is some dry snacks to keep your hunger fulfilled. If you are wearing spectacles and that is unavoidable, that is you have a power in your eyes, so do carry with yourself spectacle strap. That will definitely gonna help you during the trek. Another essential item is a power bank. You will definitely need one if you're gonna charge your cell phone or your camera batteries if you're carrying one with yourself. But my tip is, don't get indulged in your phone or your camera. Instead, enjoy the nature and the natural beauty the trek is going to offer you. The second last essential on the list is a hiking pole. This pole is gonna help you in trekking inclined slopes. To conclude and to pack all these important essentials, a good 65 to 75 liter rucksack is sufficient. A 65 to 75 liter rucksack is easy to carry and will definitely store all your important essentials. So with this, we come to the end of today's video. Do like, comment, and share this to the maximum people out there. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button for regular upcoming videos. Thank you.